Arlene. This is Bird Lady now. Want to give that to him? Got a lot of friends, Arlene.
They got such pretty blue eyes.
They do have pretty blue eyes. Jareen, I think you're having a better day today. How you feeling?
I feel better.
Good. What about you, Jareen? It is beautiful. Nothing like the sunshine on our face.
And it's not
How you doing? I have some, Eileen. Thank you. A lot of turtles, the birds, the fish. I see them. I do.
One over there is a herd man.
Oh, okay.
You know.
Yes, ma'am. We'll take care of them. We'll feed them, get them healthy.
You don't look like they're going to bed.
Not bad at all. I think your friends are following you, Nor. I think they like you, Nor.
No. Like what you get.
Oh, they like what you give them. Got a lot of friends there, girl. We got some friends this morning. Wow, we got some friends. Hi, guys. We're waiting on the food. Okay, we can just come sit over here, Eileen. There's a seat right here for you. your friends are following you, Nor. I think they like you, Nor.
No, like what you get.
Oh, they like what you give. You got a lot of friends there, girl. Well, Eileen is off. She's our leader. We're right behind you, Eileen. She's taking us out to the pavilion.
They fly over, I bring them over.